bumalik?
Ikaw pala, Ian. Tara, sabay na tayo mag-aral. Bakit nahimik ka? Why ka sila rin sa
Ano kasi? Sabi na dito. Nandun. Pwede ba?
Pwede, what?
Pwede ba kitang ligawan?
Okay lang.
There will be no ordinary days for you if there is someone who cares like I do. You got no reason to be sad anymore. I'm always ready with a smile, with just one glimpse of you. You don't have to search no more, 'cause I am someone who will love you for sure. So if we fall in love, maybe we'll sing this song as one. If we fall in love,
We can write a better song than this.
if we fall in love, we will have this melody in our heads. If we fall in love,
Anywhere with you would be a better place.
feels so good when you're around. One smile from you
One smile
makes
from
my day
you.
feel so bright. So if we fall in love, maybe we'll sing this song as one. If we fall in love,
We can write a better song than this.
if we fall in love, we will have this melody in our heads. If we fall in love,
Anywhere with you would be a
Ano yun? Congrats, girl. Sayang, ikaw na nasa listahan. Sila kung pwede ba? I can't accept that. Why? Oo nga, why? I just can't. Girl, nanalo ka na sa pustahan. And you will yung lang si Ian. At ngayon, ang dapat mong gawin ay to break his heart. And please,
I can't believe you. Tatapag ang malagap sa'yo.
I can't accept this because I already have feelings for Ian. I can't regret. I already love him. What? Wala yun sa usapan. You fell in love with that nerdy guy? Sorry. You're pathetic. Look, i-break mo si Ian. Ayaw namin siya para sa'yo. You should not interfere with them. No! You should! Sino mas pipiliin? Siya o kami? You're unfair! Bakit? Sino ba talagang pinipili mo? Si Ian ang pinipili ko! Wait! nagpapaulan. Ian, bakit ka umiiyak? Ian, girlfriend mo ako. Sabihin mo kung bakit ka umiiyak.
Ano ba pakailan mo?
Bakit mo nagagalit?
Tama na. Alam ko kung bakit mo ako minahal. Or at least, akala ko minahal mo ko. Pero pinaglaruan mo lang ako.
Hindi ka maintindihan.
Narinig ko yung mga kaibigan mo. Pinagpustahan niyo lang ako. Ano? Totoo, di ba?
Oo, totoo yun. Pero dati lang yun. Hinagustahan ka namin.
Ano? Paasahin mo lang.
Ian, makinig ka. Ian, dati lang yun. Pero sa tagal ng pinagsamahan natin, natutunan na kitang mahalin.
I know I'm not that strong.
Are you satisfied? We're sorry. Alam na namin ngayon na nagkamali ka. Alam na namin ngayon na marami na kami sorry to say this. I forgive you. Sorry. Young understand.
One day I'll forget about you. You'll see. I won't
Ian, Ian.
Bakit?
Sorry kung naabala ka namin. We just want to talk to you about your good.
Ano naman?
Ian, maniwala ka. Mahal na mahal ka ni Sheldon.
Paano ako maniniwala kaibigan niya kayo? Mamaya paasahin niyo na naman ako.
No, aaminin namin. Nagtipan ka namin. Dati yun. Dati. Pero ngayon, mahal ka na yun. Oo nga. At ang basya yung pagpalit kami para sa'yo.
Okay.
I just want you to know that I really love you.
One day I'll forget about you. You'll see. I won't even miss you. Someday I know someone's gonna be there. Someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see. I won't even miss you. Someday, someday.
Anglo ba ate mo? Bali, nandun, nasa lanting. Huh? What are you talking about? Layo kaya.